Hello everyone. Today I will be introduce you to the Screencastify screen recording, and I'm doing it with Google Slides. How you can use Google Slides or any other technology tool to record or to show to you and how to um, even explain to your student how something works. And the first thing you have to do is to look for Screencastify. You just Google it, and what's gonna come up? It's let's see if I kept uh, the. Let me show you this. No, I don't. Oh, yes, no, yeah, and you will see the web page, and you can um, click on the Chrome extension, and when you get the Chrome extension, you can just add it, and Chrome is going to add it over here on the top right. Let me show you more. No, I cannot do that. And that's gonna happen. Oh wait, let's see. I can. No, I cannot. All right. And that's gonna happen then. But if not, you can um you can use you can use Screencastify for different things. Here you have to add to your extension Chrome extension. It is free, and you are allowed to make video like 5 minutes of recording, and you can make the video and edit it right away. And it's also it records your screen like I'm doing right now, and it's a very cool tool to just like give it to your explanation to your student. And if you don't want the student to see your face, you just close your face. That's it for today.